So, mauna dyan ni Groovers, no, we have here together with us, Sir Al Batulan. Yay, pakpak life.
Jud kay ito na kuan ba achievements sa life. So, number 3 question is, can you share a memorable moment or achievement in your career, sir, that made you feel proud as a coach or instructor?
Actually, ubay-ubay gid siya, pero I will only focus on the major gid katong pinaka-best gid siya nga experience. For me personally, ang pinaka-best gid achievement na ako, duwa lang kabuok. Number 1, katong champion mi sa nationals way back when I was 17 years old pa sa Manila, Camiros, Manila. Hindi ko sure kung sa ito nga year. And at tungod at nga opportunity dayon since na discover me, like na-acknowledge me sa